Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Sandwiches are one of my personal favorites and I usually enjoy them anytime during the day. Today I'm going to share a lovely recipe with you guys. This is very simple and absolutely delicious. We're going to make these delicious vegetable cheese toasties. They literally melt in your mouth. So let's get started and check it out. For the toasties, first I'm going to make the garlic butter. To a bowl, take about 100 grams of unsalted butter. To this, just grate some fresh garlic. You can take about 3 to 4 cloves. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and a little bit of salt. Mix everything together. So you can add Italian seasoning if you like to the garlic butter as well. The garlic butter is ready. Keep this aside. Next, I'm going to grate some mozzarella cheese. This is about 200 grams of cheese. So I've just used a medium grater to grate this. Once you've grated the mozzarella cheese, keep this aside. Next, I'm going to make the filling for the toasties. For this, to a bowl, add 1 cup of boiled sweet corn, 1 cup of finely chopped red capsicum, 1 cup of finely chopped green capsicum, 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Now, if you don't want to add green chilies, you can avoid them. Add some finely chopped garlic, add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili flakes, 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Next, add finely chopped coriander leaves and mix everything together well. So you can see those beautiful colors and the flavors are amazing. Now, once you've mixed all the ingredients together well, keep this aside. Now that we have all the elements to make the toasties, let's start making them. Take 2 slices of bread. You can use any bread of your choice. Generously spread the butter on both the slices. Now place the prepared vegetable cheese filling on one slice. Place the other slice on top and gently press it. Now we are going to toast the sandwiches. Take a pan, add a little bit of butter. Gently place the sandwiches on the pan. So I'm toasting 2 small sandwiches now. Once the sandwiches are toasting on one side, apply a little bit of butter on the top. Close the pan and let the sandwiches toast for a few minutes. Maintain the flame on a medium-low. So you can see it's toasted to a lovely golden brown color. Now gently flip the sandwiches to the other side. Close the pan and toast for a few minutes. So this will help the vegetables to cook and also for the cheese to melt inside. Wow, you can see the cheese is all melted. It's so gooey. The best way to enjoy this sandwich is immediately after you've toasted it. So just cut it into half and you can serve it nice and hot with all that gooey cheese melting from inside. It's a very simple and great recipe for everyone, especially your kids will love this. Whenever they're back from school, if you want to make them a quick snack, you can make this and give it to them. You can see how beautiful the cheese is melted from inside. So you can use any vegetables of your choice for this filling. I've served these sandwiches with some ketchup by the side. You can enjoy it as is, but make sure you serve it nice and hot. I've made other sandwich recipes. We'll give you a couple of links in the description. You can check them out as well. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. So you can see how yummy these vegetable cheese toasties are with all that cheese oozing, and they make for a perfect meal. You can have them for breakfast, lunch or for a nice evening high tea. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.